What's up guys, this is going to be a little update video on Project Quicksilver here. Today we're doing a couple maintenance items and we're also going to be doing a couple little upgrades. I swapped in some flipped upper mounts here. I also got from ZZP some polyurethane dog bone mounts that we're going to put in there in a couple minutes. And we're going to do a new trans mount and new motor mount. Both of these are supposed to be the solid rubber style. So I'm going to do that first, then we're just going to walk around and I'll show you what my first few mods are to this car. Some I've already done, some I'm still about to do. We'll talk all about that then. That way I can just concentrate on getting
You're probably just going to put
this way and I'll show what we're doing. So here is the old mount with the bracket still on top. We're just going to pull that off. It's not the worst mount I've ever seen, but it is compressed and it looks like it's splitting in a couple points. This is what the new one looks like, which looks a lot better. So we're going to switch to that, but I'm going to go clean this first. Okay, now that that is cleaned up a little bit, we'll just tighten these back down. Then we just got to get this back in.
Is it supposed to be audio for this?
Yeah. That's gonna have to go too.
What?
That.
What's that?
Bushings bad. Should have got some lube for this. That would have been a good idea.
Some what?
Lube.
What's that?
To lubricate the thread so the bolts will come off easier.
Oh.
that's good. Okay, while we're down here, I noticed the sway bar bushing was not in great shape, the sway bar to frame bushings. So we're going to be putting these Moog sway bar bushings in also. Okay, so now that we're done with the mounts and the sway bar bushings, we're on to these dog bone mounts. So right now I'm just cutting the rubber off of here so that we can pull them through, which I'm just using a razor blade for. Once you remove enough rubber, they push right through like that. Then I am going to lubricate these new ones a little before I push them in. These are available in black and red, but since there's nothing else red on this car, I didn't see the point in a red bushing, so we went with black. But these push in just like this. And I'm just using like a synthetic, I think it's a synthetic, caliper grease for this, but pretty much any kind of a lube would be fine. So I'm just going to do that like that on both sides. And then just going to lube the little shaft in the middle up a little bit. And then it just pushes straight through. And there's your new and improved dog bone mounts. Okay, and now that we're done with that, all we have to do is put these dog bones back and we will be in good shape. Wish they're going to be a little snug, but that's not a big deal. The other one. Okay, so now on to the actual point of this video, which is our first round of mods on the 07. I haven't done a lot yet. I do want to point out, first of all, we did these headlights, which are the clear corner black housing headlights, which I think match the car really, really well. Still stock lighting for right now. We just did brand new solid trans and engine mounts. Both of these mounts with poly and flipped these, so that should hold the engine nice and sturdy, should make it feel a whole lot better. Then if we come back this way, the only other thing that I really did was we did put a new stereo in it. And that's just a basic 2-DIN touchscreen Bluetooth stereo, so I can use my phone with it. And that's about it. I'm pretty happy with where it's at right now. I do already have some stuff coming, and in the next video I am going to show you what we do to the lighting in the front. The next video that I feature this, it won't be the very next video, but soon. But other than that, I think the car's coming along good. It's a joy to drive. Everything works really well. It feels really good. So I'm going to let you go for this one. Drop me a like, drop me a comment, make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching, and peace.